Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you to get free PayPal money with the mod. So as you can see, I got 500 bucks and I got free money. I can turn on the anti-ban. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So basically just go to hexmods.com, type PayPal, and you're going to see the PayPal mod. So press on it, press download, and it's going to start to download it. So that's insane, bro. It actually works. So yeah, you can get free money. As you saw, I had 500 bucks in there. So I wouldn't use this too often to keep PayPal from recognizing me, but it's pretty cool. So as you can see, it says please complete 2 free apps to finish installing the mod. So you do have to download these apps. It doesn't really matter which one you do, but Travel Town's an easy one because you just got to be level 10 on it. So yeah, it's pretty simple. So yeah, this is a game. There's always going to be some sort of little like verification step usually, so you guys should be all set. But let's just run this right here, and I would just have to be level 10 to get the PayPal mod. So let's say I did this one, I have to go back and do one more. So let's say I did Merge Gardens, which I have to be level 9 to get the PayPal mod. So that's pretty simple. So yeah, that's how to get it, guys. Be sure to try it out. See you later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super insane, but that is how to get the PayPal mod. Get up to $500 for free, I think. I don't really know how it works, but yeah, it's super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. You can see right here we can adjust it. So I'm not trying to be rude, but like if you got no PayPal money, bro, you have got to try this. Like don't just sit there on the normal PayPal app being poor, bro. Try this out. It is super crazy. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel because this is super insane and it totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share. I'm gonna see you guys in another one, but yeah, subscribe and tell your friends, brother.